Okay, number 2. So again, we're going to solve this rational expression and put the answer in interval notation. So again, we need to first find critical points. Part of it is going to be what makes the denominator 0, and then after that, I'm gonna cross multiply and put everything equal to 0, and then set that equal to 0 to find other critical points. Okay. So looking at the denominators right now, if I set this equal to 0, I get x equals 2 as a critical point. And setting this equal to 0 will give me x equals -3. Okay, so I got 2 of my critical points here, and now I'm going to solve this and set it equal to 0. So I'm going to cross multiply, and I'm just going to distribute 5. So I will have 5x plus 15, and that is going to be less than 5x minus 10. I'm going to move everything to one side, so when I subtract 5x, the 5x's will cancel out, and then I will add 10. So what I'm getting is 25 is less than 0. So that looks to be false. So it looks like this may have no solution, but let's check anyway with the critical values that we have. So on the number line, if I put 2 or -3 first, and then 2 farther to the right, I just need to pick 3 points. So -4, 1 point to the left, and between here 0 will be the easiest, and then 3. And we're going to see which of these numbers makes this true. By the looks of things, it may be no solution, but let's check. Plugging in a -4, this will give me 5 over -6 is less than. Plugging in a -4 will give us a -1. So we have 5 over -1, which is -5. Alright. And then I can multiply by -6 just to simplify this, to get rid of this on both sides. Alright, and so this will become 5. This sign has to flip, greater than, and this will be 30. And 5 is not greater than 30, so this side does not work. Alright, now we're going to do 0. So if I plug in 0 for both of these, I will have 5 over -2 is less than, and then 5 over 3. So I'll multiply or cross multiply, so multiplying by a negative will cause me to flip this. This will give me 15. This will give me -10, and this sign gets flipped. So 15 greater than -10, that is true. So it looks like between 2 and 3 is good. And then we will try 3. So if I plug in a 3, I get a 1. So I'll just end up with 5 less than. Plug in a 3, I get 5 over 6. Okay, so 5 is less than 5 over 6. That is false. This fraction is going to be smaller than this whole number, so this part is not true. So it looks like between -3 and +2 will be our answer. So we're going to do -3 to +2. Uh-oh. Don't need another parenthesis.